If you have tight IT bands, then here are 3 poses that are sure to help. With a few simple adjustments to some common yoga poses, you can finally find some of that sweet relief you may be after. So let's dive into these 3 poses, starting with the simplest one first. IT band release fold. Releasing your IT bands can be a bit tricky, and forward fold is a decent place to start. In this traditional forward fold here, it always feels really nice all along the backside of our legs. But what about the sides of our legs where our IT bands are? That's where we really want to target. A simple trick is to simply cross over your ankles here and shoring up your ankles pretty close as you fold forward, and you'll start to feel it on the outer edges of your hips. Also, another tip is to just kind of play with where and how your hips are positioned, because there's going to come a point where you really start to feel this on the outside edge of your hips. Even just walking these blocks over to the side or the other side, you're going to start to feel things all along the side of your hips, but just play around a little bit and take your time to find the stretch. It's going to feel weird and awkward at first, but when you find the stretch along the side of your hips, just hold there and then switch your ankles around to the other side and hold on the opposite side. Revolved triangle for IT bands. This pose is wonderful for getting into those tight IT bands, but you're going to have to take your time to find the stretch. It's called revolved triangle, and it's a bit tricky to find the proper stretch. Just be sure to pay attention to what your hips are doing, because that can make or break this pose. Starting off in a pyramid pose, blocks on either side of your foot, bring your hands on down to the blocks. Then kind of play with where your hips are positioned. The more that you can bring your back hip forward, the more you're going to feel this stretch. Then just slowly start walking the blocks so you're twisting, and this twisting motion really helps you to feel that stretch along the side of your leg. If you can, take your hand, bring it to your hip, and twist even more, and you'll really feel this all along the side of your leg. This is a little bit of a more advanced pose because it does take quite a lot of body awareness just to get this right. So really take your time in finding the stretch in this pose. It might take you a few tries. And for a full class dedicated to helping release those tight IT bands, simply click on the card here above. It's roughly a 30-minute class, and it goes over all the tips in this video and a lot more to help release those IT bands. But now let's move on to the third part, because I've saved the best for last. A unique IT band release. This is a wonderful pose to release your IT bands, but not just that, a lot of the surrounding muscles as well. It is called half hero forward fold, and it helps you feel that stretch all along the side of your leg, basically from your hip all the way down to your ankle. You'll be surprised at how intense this stretch feels, because it's a very deep stretch through your hamstring and the outer side of your leg. Start by bending your knee back just like you would for a quad stretch here. Even if you have to be over to the side a little bit to protect this knee joint, that's totally okay. And as you come forward, you'll start to feel it along this side. If you are able to sit flat down on your bottom, you'll feel it even more, and then come forward, come forward. You might notice that you can only come this far forward because you instantly feel it down the side of your leg. However, with time, you'll be able to come farther and farther and really feel that stretch all along through your IT band and the outer edge of your leg. Do not feel surprised if you can't fold forward very far at all when you first start trying this pose. It's a very unique stretch. It's very deep through the edge of your leg there, and it's just going to take a little time for your body to get used to the pose. For a full class dedicated to helping release those tight IT bands, click on the video here on the screen. Also, open up the description below. Tons of really great resources for you there as well.